Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for cute girls. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we see some crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design, new ideas, crochet red flowers designs collection in Valentine days, beautiful and different color crochet flowers designs. In this video we show you the some crochet red rose designs collection. These are collection are very useful in Valentine days. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet Valentine days red rose designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet red rose Valentine Day design ideas 2024. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.